In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a glow effect in Pixlr step by step using Pixlr E, the advanced editor. This is a great effect for text, shapes, icons, and design elements when you want something to stand out more and look more polished. Whether you want a soft neon glow, a bright highlight, or a subtle light effect, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy design tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Pixlr E, also known as the advanced editor. Once Pixlr loads, open the project you want to work on, or create a new canvas if you're starting from scratch. The first thing you need to do is select the layer you want to add the glow to. On the right side of the screen, look at the Layers panel and click the layer that you want to affect. This is very important because the glow effect will only apply to the selected layer. Now, here's a critical step if you're working with text or shapes. If the layer is a text layer or a shape layer, you need to rasterize it first. That means converting it into a pixel layer so the filter can actually work properly. To do this, right-click the layer and choose Rasterize. Once it's rasterized, Pixlr will treat it like a regular image layer, and then the glow effect will be available. After that, go to the top menu bar and click Filter. In the filter options, look for Outer Glow. If you want the glow to appear around the outside of the object, choose Outer Glow. If you want the light effect to appear from within the object itself, you can choose Inner Glow instead. For most neon-style effects, Outer Glow is the one you'll use. Once the glow window opens, you'll see a few different settings you can adjust. Start with the color. Click the color box and choose the glow color you want. A bright white glow works well for highlights, while neon blue, pink, green, or yellow can give you a more dramatic style. Pick a color that matches the look you're going for. Next, adjust the size slider. This controls how far the glow spreads away from the object. A smaller size gives you a tighter glow, while a larger size creates a wider, more dramatic effect. If you want a bold neon look, increase the size until it feels strong enough. If you want something subtle, keep it lower. Then move on to feather. Feather controls how soft or fuzzy the glow looks. This is one of the most important settings for making the effect look natural. A low feather will make the glow look hard and sharp, while a higher feather will make it smooth and realistic. For most glow effects, especially light or neon styles, increasing the feather gives you a much better result. As you adjust these settings, keep an eye on the preview so you can see how the glow is changing. Don't be afraid to experiment a little. Sometimes, a slightly different size or feather setting can make a huge difference in how professional the design looks. Once everything looks good, click Apply to confirm the effect. And that's it. You've now added a glow effect in Pixlr using the advanced editor. You can use this same method for text, logos, buttons, graphics, and all kinds of creative projects. If you want to make the glow even more eye-catching, try duplicating the layer, using different colors, or combining the glow with other effects for a more custom look. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Pixlr tips and design tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.